Hey, welcome back everyone, and in today's video I want to talk about this big pizza. Basically this is pretty much of a scam right now, and do not invest any money with the big pizza. Right now the contract size is 238 and it's just going down. Since the day one at 1008 it has been going down. The team actually wanted to come up with something version 2 of the big pizza, or a swap pizza, which is supposed to be better than this version 1. I'm telling everyone to stay away from this developer. Let's take a look at the Telegram group. Okay, let's just start with the 4th of May because they only launched a project on the 25th of April. And then since then, I think after 1 week, they closed the Telegram chat group. So nobody is able to post anything because once they open up, there's too many negative comments going on. And people are asking, why are there so much withdrawal and what is the marketing plan? Basically, they have zero marketing plan. And then we can see all this kind of pump. Welcome everyone, big pizza army. These are all their own person. They are cheering up for each other, and no other people are able to post during a period of time. And then they say there's a fake website going on, which is correct. And I spotted the fake website, so I created this video, and they're still using my video to say that there's a fake website. So this is the video that I created talking about a fake website, and they are still using my video. I think I'm going to write on the description over here, I'm going to change it later, that this is also another scam. I mean, this bigpizza.app, the real website, is actually also a scam. But this is confirmed a fake website. Let's take a look at this fake website. Does it still exist? Oh yeah, it still exists. But anyway, apart from that, we should not touch the fake website. And today is not about this fake or real website, and then I'm talking about the real big pizza website. So what actually happened is they do no marketing for this big pizza. When they started the project, they take a 5% fee from everyone that deposit the money. 2.5% will go to the developer. That's fine. 2.5% is supposed to go back to the marketing plan. On day one, there's 1,800 BNB, and on the first day itself, 400 BNB has been withdrawn. So who has taken all this BNB? The developer has taken most of it, because for those without a referral link, then the 15% will go back to the developer. So if you join the big pizza without any referral link, 20% go back to the developer. So at 1,800 BNB, we multiply that by 20%, so that's about 360. Of course, some of us have some referral link, and those people that have referral link may be able to cash out some of it. So I believe the referral link is not that much, because on the first day itself there wasn't a lot of referral. So most of it will go back to this developer. So they would have taken at least 300 BNB. If you just multiply BNB and assuming that the BNB was $400, they've taken in 120,000. So for 120,000, what can they do? If they just go on to Fire and ask somebody to create some marketing video, maybe 10 marketing video, that will cost them probably about $2,000 of this. Let's deduct that out. And then spend $8,000 on Facebook marketing, and spend $10,000 on YouTube marketing. I mean, you can flash the YouTube ads at those channel or video. They will still have 100,000 just by taking out 20,000 for marketing, but they did zero of it. They do zero marketing at all. What the developer do is they depend on this member here, you and me, and basically me, to help promote them. And because on the first day I see the drop, in fact this is my video on the first day that I promoted this. On the second day I decided to take out my affiliate link and post the thing. And then I think I should have made the video long time ago. I just 10 days ago I say don't invest in this fake visa. Basically they are dead. Don't invest. Please do not put your money with them. And beside that, they have this thing called what? Are you ready for baked pizza swap? What do they mean? You swap your pizza for what? They got no answer. And then subsequently, they have all this pool going on. Big Pizza version 2 with advanced feature. Yes, no, or only go for the swap. What is swap? What is version 2? Come on. What is all this? And let's go back to at the bottom of it. Why not 10% per day? Why the yield is not 10%? Okay, the person that is asking this should have realized that this is a Ponzi scheme. For you to get the 10%, new BNB has to come in. But the admin refused to answer. And very soon, I believe this person that is asking the question will not be able to post. Okay, this is what happened to one of the member that reached out to me. I will show you a screenshot of that. So this is what happened. The admin of this post have restricted you from writing here. What have this person done? This person basically asked, why is he not getting a reward that he is supposed to get? And posting a few more other questions about what is the marketing plan and strategy of Big Pizza, what the development team is going to do. All his posts is deleted. And right now he's banned from the admin for posting in the group, so he cannot write. He is just a ghost member inside this group now. He can only watch. So he's telling me to make a video, so I'm making this video. And I'm telling Big Pizza right now, I'm watching you. So this is what I am going to post in this Telegram group. If they deleted my account and banned me from posting anything on this Telegram group, I will join with another Telegram account and I'll watch them. If they ever launch the Big Pizza version 2 or the Big Pizza swap, I will post a video on the YouTube. So if you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you. Big Pizza, I'm watching you.